As you can see, now that the puppies are bigger, they nurse very zestfully, and it's amazing that Miney can have such aggressive nursing going on. She looks pretty relaxed, but they're pretty hungry little babies. They get real frantic if they can't find a nipple that's working. And they'll push each other out of the way too. It's kind of funny. Pretty soon they're going to start getting real food, and they're going to pig out when they first get that food. Oh, I think that's it. So if they didn't get enough, they're going to have to wait till the next feeding. Hope you got enough, babies. Someone still sounds hungry.